InstaMAT allows you to adapt its interface based on your current needs. And one way it can do that is by allowing you to cycle through which view you'd like to be the center of attention. Let's take a look. Okay, so you can see I'm working on this damaged plastered wall here, and I'd like to take a closer look at my material in the 3D viewport. Well, what I can do is I can go to these icons in the top center of the toolbar, and you can see that these icons correspond with the canvas, the 3D viewport, and the image viewer. And so if I click on the viewport, you can now see that the viewport has taken center stage and everything else has moved to take its place. So now I can get a closer look and see what I'm doing in the 3D viewport. Then I can also work in the canvas here as well. And the image viewer has populated as a tab. Now, speaking of the image viewer, let's say I want to take a look at the base color here. I'm just going to click on this output here and it populates it. But if I want to take a closer look, what I can do is click on the image viewer and you can see now it has taken center stage. Now, there's an even quicker way to cycle through these three different view configurations, and that's by pressing the Alt or Option key and the C key, C for cycle or C for center. And I can easily cycle through these three configurations. So I can start in the canvas, maybe I want to take a closer look at that viewport, and then maybe I want to go and look at my ambient occlusion, so I can just populate my image viewer here, or if I want to see it closer, I can hit Alt or Option C again and get it right in the center. And it's one of the ways that InstaMAT interface adapts to what you need at the time. Thanks for checking out our quick tip on cycling the center view. There are many ways to adapt InstaMAT's interface to your workflow. If you'd like to learn more, check out our YouTube channel. We've got lots of quick tips like these, as well as other videos that dive deep into InstaMAT's powerful nodes and features. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaMAT, please visit our website and follow us on Twitter. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.